What is up, builders? Welcome to another video. Today, I'm here to share with you a simple framework that will allow you to bring more projects to your company, to attract more attention to your ads and your content and your website in general. And this is the same framework that's allowed me and my company to help a custom home builder in Houston bring a $1.5 million project using this same system. And today I'm just going to share with you a very simple and quick Google Doc that you can download, and I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. That way you can use it as a reference and build your own message at your own time as well. So without further ado, let's get to the content. So in this new PDF this quick Google Doc that I'm here to share with you, there are a few concepts that are going to help you, allow you to attract attention to your ads and get people to convert, and get people to take action on your offer. And the first one is you need to attract people's attention. That's the first thing you need to do in order to be able to convert people. If you can't have people pay attention to your ads, then people will not convert. That's very simple to understand. So the way that we get people to pay attention is with curiosity-based headlines or hooks. So the very 1 to 5 seconds of your ad, of your content, is the most important part of your ad. Is the part that advertisers spend the most time tweaking and optimizing, because that is where it sets off all of the events that will come on the next 10, the next 20 seconds of your ad, and also after down the funnel as well. And so what this is, curiosity-based headlines and hooks, is a statement that piques people's interest and triggers desire to find out more or continue consuming the content or ad. And here are some examples of this. So it can be discover how much your dream home will cost, or warning, don't hire a builder until you know this fact. Let me expand this real quick. There you go. Free report reveals 3 things pool builders don't tell clients about design. Warning, 7 costly remodeling mistakes homeowners make. So the purpose with this is to pique enough curiosity to make people want to watch more of the content or consume more of the ad, or read more if it's a written ad. Read more of your ad to find out what's exactly in it for them. And the second step after where you get their attention is to retain their attention. So you need to reward people for watching or consuming your content by adding value to them. And here's a simple framework to keep people engaged and captivated with your content. It's the what, who, when, the framework. All right, so firstly, the what framework. So you need to clearly and specifically describe what your content or ad is addressing and what's in it for them. Is it a common pain that people experience in your industry in which you can solve? Or maybe it's a common misconduct that other builders or other competitors in your space use that costs clients their money, time, energy, or effort. Or maybe it's a need or want or desire that people have in which your product or service can fulfill. So you need to describe exactly what it is and why your offer is relevant to them specifically. Because people, they take action for their own reasons, not yours. They take action for their own interests, their own interests. All right, so now the who part is where we will describe in detail who exactly the offer or idea that we present in our content affects or influences. So who will it help? Is it only them, or maybe it's them, their friends, family, coworkers, etc. Here, you can use client testimonials to build trust and credibility with your brand on this part right here. This is where we would use this trust. We use the testimonials. Maybe we can even have video clips of your clients talking about your company and your service and how you operate. This is where we would input it. Now, on the when part of this, retaining people's attention is where you actually paint a picture of what the outcome will look and feel like when they experience it. And the last step of the ad itself is we need to get them to take action. So after we've hooked their attention and then we've retained their attention with value, now we need to get them to take action and to take the initiative to the next step to our offer. And now, as I said, after we've piqued their interest and wound them up with emotions, it's time to help them take action to help themselves solve their problems or desires. And we do this with a CTA, or call to action. It's simply a statement that gets them to take the next action in the step in the funnel. Now, it could be download a free PDF, it could be book a consultation, call your business directly, or fill out a form. There are many other ways that you can do this, but the intent mainly is to get their contact information so you can then follow up and sell your solution. Now, let's put it all together. I wrote here a mock ad copy, a mock offer, just to illustrate this point. So here, the headline that we would use in this case would be the discover how much your dream home will cost. Now, the description or body, the body of your ad, it would say, have you ever wondered how much you will have to pay for your dream home? That's the what. That's the actual what the ad is addressing, what the ad is about. So what's in it for them? And you are not alone. So it's mentioning who. It's talking about people. Now, many of our best clients had the same worry before they started working with us. Again, that's the who. Now, they are all overjoyed knowing that they were able to find exactly what they envisioned in a home and that it fit their budget. That's the win. What exactly they will feel when they actually experience the result or the outcome that our product or service is promising. The what, this is the what here, another what. Here at XYZ Builders could be your company name. We provide various solutions for new homeowners to find or build their dream home at an affordable price. So this is your pretty much your offer statement right here. This is the meatiest part of your ad. This is exactly what's in it for the prospect. Now, whether you are looking for your own custom home built within your set funds or you want to buy a pre-built home, we have all types of homes and floor plans available ranging from the low 400s to 1 million. And that's we ended here just ended the body is the value part of your ad. This is the meatiest, this is usually the longest part of your ad. Now, the CTA is where we're going to get them to take action. Curious to find your affordable dream home? Click learn more to view our available homes and floor plans. And that is it pretty much. Of course, this the success to this will depend on other variables as well, such as what exactly the funnel it is that you're taking people to, what exactly they're seeing, if the funnel is congruent with the ad that they saw before, and if the funnel is even qualified, is even optimized to get people to convert. And also another thing to mention is that this ad right here, it would most likely be more of a top of funnel or even middle of funnel ad. It's not a bottom of funnel. So what do I mean by this? On a bottom of funnel ad is an ad targeted to people who are ready to buy or ready to take action now. So these are people who are on search and buy mode. On this ad right here, we're not targeting people who are necessarily on search mode or on buy mode. These people are more curious. They are curious how much they would have to spend in order to build or buy their dream home. They may not necessarily be ready to build or to buy, but the intent is right there. This it just means that right now they're not ready today, but they could be in the future. They most likely will be if they are a qualified lead. This is an ad that we will run typically on Facebook. This is a very good Facebook ad. Not, it wouldn't be a good Google ad, but we would tweak it if we were running Google ads. So for example, we would make this statement more of a bottom of funnel statement. So we tweak it to make people, we took the offer to make people take action for people who are ready to take action now. So we could be, for example, a let's say it could be a free consultation, consultation, and find out what exactly your dream home will cost. So you just frame it in a different way that is designed to target people who are ready to take action now. So people who are ready to take action, they will most likely book a free consultation or they will book a free quote because they are in search mode. Now, of course, this would be a more of a Google ad. And for a Google ad as well, the description needs to be more on point. It needs to be more intentional with what we're doing. And so here, for a Google ad, we will also tweak this and condense this in order to make people take action and make people convert. And it would be more designed to make people see you as a difference, as a different and unique builder compared to other builders out there, other ads that they may have seen. But other than that, this is it. This is the framework that will get you to win more projects over your competition online on paid ads. It could be over free content or organic content as well. It could work as well. And this is exactly the funnel and the framework that we use for a custom home builder in Houston to help them book a $1.5 million project. And this is really a framework that works. It's proven to work. And I'm very excited to share with you with this framework today. Now, I hope you have had value, if you've experienced value from this video and you are able to implement this framework into your content, into your marketing strategies to help you win more projects and get more people in your pipeline to convert. And if you're looking for an agency, if you're looking for somebody to take over this system and take over this process for you, and so you don't have to do it all yourself and go through the trial and error phase in order to figure this out, then you can. I'll leave a description. I'll link in the description below. You can book a consultation call with me where we'll assess your situation and analyze everything and see how we would be able to help you and implement this system into your business to get you more projects down the line. And other than that, I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next video.